Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain inverse property. So let us discuss inverse property under addition. So this is also called as additive inverse property. So it states that for every real number a, there exists an opposite number, that is minus a. When we added these two numbers, we get additive identity, that is 0, is known as additive inverse property. So here a is a real number and opposite of a is minus a. When we are added, a plus minus a equal to 0. So this property is known as additive inverse property. So here for all a belongs to R and also minus a belongs to R. So here a is a real number and 0 is additive identity. So for example, 4 plus dash equal to 0. So here 4 is added to inverse identity. So that is minus 4. So 4 plus minus 4 equal to 0. So here 4 is the additive inverse of 4. So next example 10. So additive inverse of 10 is minus 10. So this is additive inverse property. Next one is multiplication or multiplicative inverse property. So it states that for every real number a except 0, for every real number a except 0, there exists a reciprocal of a real number. So reciprocal of a is a real number and reciprocal of a is 1 by a. So when both are multiplied, when we get 1, the result 1. So here a into 1 by a equal to 1. So this is the statement of multiplicative inverse property. So here a is a real number and 1 by a is a reciprocal of a, and 1 is known as multiplicative identity and 1 by a is known as multiplicative inverse. So moving to examples. So 2 is a real number and reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So both are multiplied, 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. So we see another example 50. So reciprocal of 50 is 1 by 50. So 1 into 1 by 50 equal to 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse property. Let us see few more examples of additive and multiplicative inverse property. So coming to first example, here 10 plus dash equal to 0. So we see that here plus is additive sign. So additive inverse of 10 is minus 10. So this is the additive inverse of 10. So 10 plus 10 equal to 0. Next example, 299 into dash equal to 1. So here this is multiplicative sign. So multiplicative sign, then we get multiplied by reciprocal of 299, then we get 1 is the answer. So here 299 is multiplied by reciprocal of 299, that is 1 by 299. 299 will be cancelled, then we get answer. Similarly third one 1000. So this is additive inverse minus 1000. And fourth one is 516 is multiplied by reciprocal of 516. So 516 into 1 by 516 equal to 1. So finally inverse property of addition is a plus minus a equal to 0, and multiplicative inverse property is a into 1 by a equal to 1. So for all a belongs to R, for all minus a belongs to R, and for all 1 by a is also belongs to R. Here 0 and 1 are additive identity and multiplicative identity. Hope you are all understood this topic. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share.